After what feels like a million years working in the photography industry, we found that we wanted something that would inspire us, something that would give us creative ideas, that would educate us, would kick our ass and hit us over the head with a reality check every now and then. Something that we could be part of, somewhere safe that we could share and learn and grow. We looked and we looked and we looked and looked and looked. Our photographer friends were looking too and kept telling us about what they had seen, and if only they could afford this course or that piece of equipment, they would have all they needed to make it, so they didn't have to work so damn hard to be a photographer. But all roads led nowhere. We were searching for this mythical place that didn't exist. But it did. It was in us. We knew what we wanted, and we knew that we had the years of experience to create such a place. A place for photographers to explore and discover on their own the wonderful world of photography and of the rare animal, the successful photographic business. So we have built this magical land. We have built it for you, for anyone that wants to take their photography and editing to the next level, for anyone that just wants somebody to talk to on that long walk up the path to the top. So welcome to our safe place. We will not tolerate any nastiness or negativity. This is your playground. We hope that you enjoy this little piece of photographic paradise that we have built for you. And no trolls allowed. Now, if we have missed something that you would like to see, this is your world too. So please let us know and we'll put it on our list of improvements. A roller coaster, rock concert or afternoon tea, just let us know when you're listening.
Created using Powtoon.